Okay, please try to copy this thing and please tell me when you are done. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So let us assume everyone completed. So now I am going towards the next one. And no need to worry about the notes, and I will send it after the class. Okay. So now the next question is, find all real numbers x and y so that x square plus 2y square, that plus half, that is less than equals to x, then 2 plus y plus. Okay. So from this, how can we solve that? So let us just multiply with 2 in both of the sides. So what we will get then? 2x square plus 4y square plus 1, that is less than equals to 4xy plus this. Okay. So now we can write this like this: 4 2x square 4y square plus 1 minus we are taking 4yx and 2x, and again I am subtracting this thing from this side also. So then what are we getting now? We are getting 4y square minus 4xy. Then let us take x square, and I am getting x square minus 2x. So I am just dividing this thing, or in two parts. They are x square plus x square, and from 2x square we can easily write that. So now that is less than equals to 0. So now from this, what are we getting? We are getting 4y square minus 4x plus x square. That will be what? That is basically 2y minus x whole square. Plus that is what? That is x minus 1 whole square less than equals to 0. Okay. Now, as we know that 2y minus x whole square and x minus 1 whole square, they both are greater than equals to 0. So they can never be less than 0. Okay. So they have to be equals to 0 to satisfy this inequality. So if they are satisfying this inequality, so we have to take then 2y minus x whole square equals to 0. So from that we can easily get our y equals 2y equals to x, and from that we will get our x equals to 1 y by 2. Now from this second part, if we are getting x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, then our x is equals to 1. That is this. Hello. Sorry. This part is wrong. Sorry. So if we are getting this thing, so basically then our uh, y is equals to x by 2. So then our y will be what? That will be 1 upon 2. Okay. So we have found all the real numbers x and y so that this inequality holds. Okay. Please try to understand these steps, and if you want to copy, then please do it. Okay, so let us move towards the next question. I think no one has doubt in this question, and if you have any doubt, please tell me. Okay. Uh, So now the next question is, uh, let us consider three positive real numbers A, B, C are such that A square plus 5B square minus 4C square minus 4AB minus 4BC equals to 0. Now the question is, can ABC be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? Now, please use this type of techniques which I have done in the previous questions. Please try it up to couple of minutes. Okay. So then, if you are getting some problems in that, so then I will solve the question. Okay. So anyone have any idea or should I solve it? Hello. Okay. I am starting to solve it. So what we can do in this question? So basically, we will have here a square minus 4ab plus b square. Then we are getting 4b square minus, sorry, let us take 4b square here. B square minus 4bc. Then, uh, sorry, there is a typo in the question. We will have plus here. Okay, sorry for that. So then we are getting plus 4c square equals to 0. So if we are getting these things, so then we are actually getting a minus 2b whole square plus we are getting b minus 2c whole square equals to 0. So as we know that these things are greater than equals to 0. So as equals to 0 is the only option there. So everyone has to be equals to 0. So our A is equals to 2B and our B is equals to 2C. Okay. So now let us take our A to be 1. Sorry. Let us take our C to be 1. Then our B is what? B will be 2 and our A will be equals to 4. Okay. So then we can easily then we know that for the length of the sides to be the sides of the triangles, so then we will have our B plus C that is greater than 1 and for every sides we will have the same things. So as we are getting these things, so basically we are getting what? We have to get 2 plus 1 that is greater than 4. We know that our 3 can never surpass 4. So that's why this A, B, C can never be the lengths of the sides of a triangle. Okay. Please copy if you want to copy it. And after that, we will move forward to the next question. Okay, so I am moving forward to the next question. This question is also very easy, and the question tells us that for x and y belongs to R, that okay. So if we are getting these things, so what can we use here? We can easily see that this. So then our left hand side is now being so plus 6x and minus 3xy. So from that we will have plus 3xy. Okay. So now from this we will have what? 3 if we take common from that, and we will get 3 of 6x square, and then okay, let me just write it as okay. So now we are getting what? 3y square by 4 plus 9y square by 4. That is equals to 3y square. We can easily see that. And now our 6x is here, and our 6y is now being apported as 3y and 3y. Okay. So that is basically what? That is the similar thing as the previous inequality. So now from that we will have, if we take out the 3 as common, so we will get 3x plus y by 2 plus 1 whole square. And again we will have here 3 by 2y plus 1 whole square, that is greater than equals to 0. Okay. And this part is greater than equals to 0, and this part is also greater than equals to 0. So after adding this thing, we will have the same thing. Okay. Please try to understand that. Then we will move forward to the next question.
Ma'am, I didn't, sir, I didn't understand what we did.
So actually, I have to prove that the 3 into that x plus y plus 1 whole square, that has to be greater than equals to 3xy. Okay. So
Yeah.
if this so, then we will have that minus 3xy, that is greater than equals to 0. So if we just prove this thing by another by solving according to this, and we are getting some logic in between that, so then we will prove the statement. So basically I just written the aforesaid inequality in an sum of squares form. So we know that sum of squares, as the squares are always greater than equals to 0, so we can easily say that the inequality holds. Okay,
But sir, how did you divide 3y square by 4? And yeah, how do you divide it by 4?
so actually I was trying to get some of the squares there. So basically we are getting 3y square there. So if I have to get this thing like uh, 3 then common x plus y by 2 plus 1 whole square there. So basically y by 2 whole square will be y square by 4. And if we are multiplying with 3 then we are getting 3y square by 4. So that's why if so that's why when we are going to just write something like sum of the squares, then I just aparted that 3y square as 3y square plus 9y square to the that 9y square by 4. Okay.
Yeah,
Our
understood.
3y square our 3y square became 3y square by 4 plus 9y square by 4. And
Okay, yeah.
our 6y and our 6y became 3y plus 3y. And our 4 became 3 plus 1. Okay. Please copy this, or if you want to copy, then please copy this, or after that, we will move forward to the next question. Okay, I think everyone understood. So let us move forward to the next question. So this one will be too easy. for x, y, z belongs to R, sorry, R plus, that means the positive real numbers. Then we are here to prove that x square plus yz by y plus z plus y square plus zx by z plus x plus z square plus xy by x plus y, that is greater than equals to x plus y plus z. Okay, so how can we do that? So we are doing this thing. Okay, so then, okay, so if we are getting this thing, we have to take common from that, and basically we will get, so from then we will have our y plus z, z plus x, and x plus y are the denominators. So if we just combine all the denominators, we will have something like, uh, then our denominator will be LCM of all this, and that is now, so then we will have what? X plus y into x minus y and x plus z into x minus z. So basically we are getting here plus, again we are getting the same kind of thing. So if we just expand all this, Then we will get,
So we can move the denominator to the right hand side, right? Because the denominator is positive.
also do that. So if we that move the denominator to the right hand side, so then basically we will have the numerator, and we if we what can I say? Just expand this, we will get, and this thing is very familiar to us. If we multiply 2 on both of the sides, we will get then. So as everyone are greater than equals to 0, we know that by default. So the inequality holds. Okay. Please try to understand all the steps, and if you want to copy, and then please do it. Then we will move towards the last question of this session.
স্যার সেকেন্ডলেস লাইনটায় -2x হয়ে হবে, তারপর -2x
Sorry.
প্রত্যেকটার সাথে 2 মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে।
If we just
আই মিন
multiply 2 in both of the sides, then
না
we
স্যার,
will
মানে
get
আমি বলতে চাইছি ওই -2x² y² -2y² z² হবে।
so. So then we will get what? X to the
নাহলে তো
power 4.
ইকুয়েশনটা আসছে না লাস্ট।
I think I am not getting your question. So if we just multiply 2 in both of the sides, so we are getting what? 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2
না না,
here.
বোথ সাইডে বলছি না, জাস্ট হচ্ছে লাস্ট ওই মানে -2x² y² -2y² z² -2z²
So then we will get what? Then we will get x to the power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4. Then again we will have y to the power 4 minus 2y square z square, then plus z to the power 4. Again we will have z to the power 4 minus 2z square x square plus x to the power 4. So we are getting 2x to the power 4, then 2y to the power 4, then and 2z to the power 4. Okay. So that's why we are
ওকে
multiplying
স্যার,
in both of the sides.
ওকে স্যার, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড।
Both of the sides means multiplying 2 here. Uh, sorry. And also multiplying 2 here. That means both of the sides. Okay. So let us now go towards the next question. So now we know that our x, y, and z x, y, and z all are real numbers. Okay. Now we know that our xy plus yz plus zx, that is equals to minus 1. Now we have to prove that our x square plus 5y square plus 8z square, that is greater than equals to 4. Okay. So how can we do that? Just simply take this thing, x square, sorry, x square plus 5y to the 5y square plus 8z square minus 4, that is greater than equals to 0. And we know that our minus 4 means we can write it here as x square plus 5y square plus 8z square plus 4xy plus 4yz plus 4zx, that is greater than. Okay. So from this, if I just write this thing, x square plus 4y square plus 4z square plus we are taking then what can I take? 4xz plus, let us take 8yz let us take plus 4xy, and I am getting what then? Y square plus 4z square minus 4yz, that is greater than equals to 0. Okay. So from that we can easily write again as x plus 2y plus 2z whole square, and that is our y minus 2z whole square, that is greater than equals to 0. Okay. So then they are the sum of squares. So we can again show that these two are greater than equals to 0. So that's why we are getting all the things as greater than equals to 0. Okay. So we can say that here our inequality holds. Okay. Everyone understood? Okay. So I will send you this thing. That means this notes. So okay. So after the class, so now I am ending the session and you can leave now. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir.